His name is Peanut. Wow, that was a big burp. Sorry. Oof. My God, I just got all this air in my stomach. I guess I could have muted my mic. Oh. Do you guys mind if I burp? Sorry. I'm gassy. I feel like I have this life theory. Sorry about the burp. I have to buy them more. Does it smell good?
More point and we win the whole enchilada.
Sorry. I'm disgusting. I really apologize to you guys. Just the load. Yeah. Chomp. I'm sorry, chat. Sorry. Sorry. I burp though. Are you asking me about cocaine? Sorry, about the cookie. It's seriously perfect. Sorry. Sorry. She's gonna hose them off.
He's refusing to
I
sign
mean,
a
they do
citation,
have
and
like
I'm wondering if
video
there's
recording of
corruption
you though.
So due to him refusing to sign.
Did you guys hear my burp? I just burped. Did you guys hear it? You didn't hear it. You did? Yeah. Oh, sorry. No? Yes? No? No. Okay.
I contacted his parole officer, and his parole officer authorized a parole violation.
Yeah. Donkey Kong.
I'm gonna go Kirby.
Kirby, Foosley.
Sorry.
Where do kids spend most of their time nowadays?
Sorry.
Yes.
Sorry. I'm sorry, that was gross. Sorry, guys. I didn't realize it was gonna be that loud. What the fuck? I gotta...
That's the end of this video. I just wanted to say thank you so much for helping me reach